How to change your phone number on your X Twitter account. If for some reason you want to update your phone number on your X Twitter space, this video is for you. Be sure to stay to the end of this video so you don't make any mistake. On your X account, navigate to the top left corner where you see your profile icon and tap on it. Then proceed to scroll down and click on Settings and Support. A drop-up menu will appear. Make sure to tap on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to an interface like this with a bunch of menus where you could see your account security and account access, premium monetization, and a host of others. Make sure to select your account. So this will give you the flexibility of making the necessary changes. As you can see, with your account, you'll be able to edit your account information, change your password, download an archive of your data, and deactivate account. In this case, we are interested in account information. So continue to click on it, and there you are. You will be able to change your phone number here. So when you click on phone, this is your existing phone contact. You'll be able to update your phone number here, or you can even delete it or cancel this procedure entirely. If you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. I'll do my best to attend to you. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribe and give this video a like. See you in the next video.